Gary from Centric in Solihull, and today you'll find me on Chelmsley Lane in Marston Green, where we've got a beautiful home coming to market. It's really well located, close to the local amenities, shops and excellent transport links with the train station close by, as well as the motorway network. And don't forget, we're really close to Birmingham Airport as well as the NEC. So the home itself is a beautiful semi-detached 4-bedroom with ample off-road parking as well as the garage. So come on in and see what we've got. So internally, there's plenty of space on offer for modern family living with 2 formal reception rooms, separate kitchen, side utility, downstairs WC, 4 double bedrooms as well as 2 bathrooms. And if that wasn't enough, with the house being absolutely immaculate on the inside, you've got this superb garden that's been really well looked after, and we are south-facing. For more information, to give myself or Nancy a call on 0121 705 3242 option 1.